Blacklist Monitoring.
Hello and welcome. On this session, I'll be going over our Blacklist Monitoring product. And so if I go into our tools and hit Blacklist Monitoring, also available at this menu at top, what we have here is a different dashboard that allows us to monitor IP addresses or domains. And what we're looking for here is to be able to understand if your domain or your email or your IP address is blacklisted by any of the major providers that really influence if your email goes into inbox or spam or potentially blocked altogether. This is a really awesome product. Set it and forget it. A one-time configuration. And if we notice any changes, we're going to go ahead and notify you of those changes, whether that changes means that you were added to the blacklist or if you were able to get yourself off of the blacklist. So I'm going to go ahead and just configure a new one. You can see I have some here already, but let's configure a new one. And I'm going to put in a domain or an IP address. Now, you do not need to do anything on DNS for this. So if you want to monitor a domain, you can. So let's go ahead and monitor homedepot.com. Let's hope they have good deliverability. You can put different CCs on here if you'd like to send any of the alerts to other people. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it as my default one, and I can just put some notes if I want. However, that's not necessary. So I can add the monitor, and you can see immediately it will get added to the list. I have different monitors running here at the time. And the status is green, meaning that it's active and alive. It hasn't run the scan just yet, but it will. And if I go ahead and open up, what you're starting to see here is that we're going to look against 40 different blacklists. And based on those 40 blacklists for this domain, we're going to see all of them individually and what the status is. So until this gets scanned, I'm going to open up a different one. How about an IP address, 1.1.1? And if you notice on 1.1.1, it's constantly being blacklisted all over the place. And this is by design as far as my test goes, so you can get an idea of what this looks like. So on those blacklist monitors, if there's anything that you're listed on, they will get put to the top, which will give you a better idea of this is what's happening because we have so many places that we're looking. So we're talking about anything from spam house to, pull spam, all of the different type of email address, RBLs that are out there that you might be listed on. If you are, you want to be able to get yourself off of these. And so the concept here is that if you are listed on any of these different blacklists, that we are providing a link that will bring you to the website of that blacklist where you can request to be delisted. So when you go onto that website, it's going to ask what's the domain or the IP that's listed, and you can submit a request to delist yourself. Now, again, the whole point of this is to be alerted if anything is happening. If you get put on a blacklist, you definitely want to make sure that you take some action with that. You want to get yourself off. But in addition to that, you want to try to find out why you got blacklisted in the first place. If it's due to high spam complaints, well, you got to question how you're sending email and who you're sending email to and why they're marking you as spam. But there's lots of reasons why you might get thrown on a blacklist. There's really no single reason for this. This is a tool to identify if you are on a blacklist and if you get taken off a blacklist. We will tell you on both sides of that equation. So I do recommend this product. This is a set it and forget it product. You want to just add your domains and add your IPs if you have any dedicated IPs that you send mail from, and just make sure that you're ahead of it. The point is that you don't want to keep sending mail when you're on a blacklist. And this is a set it and forget it product. We're just going to send you the alerts when needed. So that is our Blacklist Monitor, and it's part of our ZeroBounce 1 package, and included in our freemium package, you can have one domain set up or one IP address being monitored at any time. And based on the type of domain, or if it's an IP address, the amount of places it can be listed on a blacklist is changed. So in here, you can see that we will monitor everything that we have the ability to, and we will notify you if we find anything.